So today I'm going to make a really quick and simple decoration for Christmas. I have these tiny little pots, some pine cones, some red metallic spray paint and some white spray paint, and I'm going to make little Christmas trees for the table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mask off a section, so I don't want to spray paint the whole pot. So just the bottom is going to be red or white, and then I'll give the pine cones a light dusting of white spray paint to make it look like snow on trees. So I've masked off the bits of the pot that I don't want to spray, just using some masking tape, and I'm going to spray paint the bottom of these with the metallic red Fast Dry Enamel paint, and I'm going to spray the bottom of this with the Fast Dry Enamel in white. What I find sometimes when I'm spraying things like this is that it might be easier to turn it upside down so I can get to all the areas, and to use a bit of scrap cardboard so that when everything's wet I can just move it to the side really easily. So I've read the instructions on the back of the can. They say to shake it for about a minute before using, which I've already done, so I'm ready to start. So while I'm waiting for the little pots to dry, I'm just going to give these pine cones a light dusting of white with the PlastiKote Fast Dry Enamel, just to make it look like snow on trees for Christmas. So I've given the can a good shake for about a minute, and I'm just ready to give it a light dusting. So now that everything is dry, it's time for my favourite bit, peeling off the masking tape. So just use some hot glue if you like to stick down the pine cones into the pots, or you can just leave them resting there. But I think they make a really simple and easy little decoration for the Christmas table.